Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Is it time to quiet the neighbors? Maybe loud noises? Then you've got to check out these acoustic panels that I got from Tooth. So we installed these in the loft area of our warehouse. It's extremely echoey in here, lots of metal, and on the other side of this wall is a workshop. After installing these panels, we've noticed that things are a lot quieter. They have sound absorbing properties because of their polyester bilayer. Aside from that, we love the way that they look. These are beveled and we got the white ones. They're lightweight and easy to install. I was able to put them up on the wall by myself, and these come with double-sided stickers to apply to your wall. Now that might sound like they're flimsy, but I gotta tell you, these have stayed on our wall for quite a while. Nothing has fallen off. We did install these on a wall that was not level. Because of that, I did have to use screws in a couple of places just to make sure that it didn't bow. But other than that, really the adhesive that comes with it is gonna work perfectly if you have normal walls. My husband did use a saw in order to cut out little sections so that we could fit it around the rafters. We are so pleased by the way that these panels look and how great they are at dampening sound, and that's our point of view.